Hello, or by greeting of Islam, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Karim Mahran, chemistry and science teacher. I graduated in 2019 from Faculty of Education Chemistry Department with Bachelor's of Science and Education. My experience is I remember my I remember my first session with Rizal organization when teaching orphans. Practical training with my college as college education. Currently, I'm chemistry teacher in Elite International Schools. I hope covered all curriculums in science and chemistry subjects. Factually, I have two ways to introduce myself. First of them, which you will listen a few minutes later. Second one, hello, my name is Karim Mohran. When I standing in any interview, I feel as performer with goal of delivering information by different way than ears, clips or Apple use. Let's do it. Today I will talk about science. What what you know about science? Yeah, that's right. Science is chemistry or physics or biology. You can see science as chemistry or physics or bio. You can say chemistry as a hard equation, a lot of equations, and very hard to save it, like CO2, CO2, H2O equations, or all of equations. You can say physics as a lot of laws and have a hard laws. And you can see biology as a lot of definitions and hard definitions. But in another way, we can say chemistry as magic, physics as incredible laws, biology as pure definitions. Let's see. But in another way, we can see chemistry as magic. We can see physics as incredible laws, biology as different definition of my body, or minimize and go inside my body and see all part of my body. Let's do it. First topic is physics. I will talk about what happened in my balloon or blew it up by small needle. It's very hard to blow it up by my hand. I will talk about pressure. What's meaning of pressure? To understanding what happened to my balloon, how can blow it up by small needle and it's hard to blow it up by my hand. I have to learn pressure. Okay, pressure is when acting by force on a surface area. When acting by force on a surface area by perpendicular way, pressure it will be reduced and have relation like that P equals F over A. Sub relation between pressure and force and pressure and surface area. Relation between force and pressure is pressure in vertical line and force in horizontal, it will be have directly proportional. What about relation between surface area and pressure? Inversely proportional. That's meaning, mister, to produce high pressure, I should have a small surface area. If I want produce low pressure, I want wide surface area. That's right. That's what happened in my experiment with balloon. needle and a small needle acting on small surface area, so it will produce high pressure. My hand acting on wide surface area, so produce low pressure. Okay, let's ask a question and hang on question. Who watched Mo Salah last match in Liverpool and the move of celebrating of Mohamed Salah? Mo Salah celebrating like that. Who say who watched Cristiano and how he's celebrating after scoring or after score goal? He is celebrating like that. Which of them acting by high pressure or land? Mo Salah or Cristiano? Guess what? That's right. That's Mo Salah because have one leg acting force on land, so it will produce high pressure because it's acting in small surface area. I hope you are understanding what I say. Any question? Thank you. How can convert chemical reactions to theoretical part on my whiteboard or my exam or my notebook? Let's do it. Few minutes later, I can see my reactions and magic of chemistry. How can represent it by equation? I represented chemical reaction by chemical equation. What's the meaning of chemical equation? The group of symbols and formulas connected each other by arrow determines direction and condition of reactions. Let's see. So chemical equation, that's a group of formulas and symbols. That's a group of formulas and symbols and formulas connected by arrow determines direction of reactions and determines condition of reactions. Okay, mister, that's equation. That's right. What happens if I have two reactants? I will separate it by this symbol plus. That's seen in products. So chemical equation, that's a group of symbols, formulas and symbols, a group of symbols and formulas have or connected by arrow determine direction of reactions and condition of these reactions. If I want to add more reactants, I will have symbol plus separates reactants each other and the same in products. Okay, mister, let's do it. What about if I have ice convert to water? That's chemical reaction, that's reactants, that's products, then that's arrow connected reactants and products. And I should have condition like heat. Mister, if water frozen, it will be ice. I will have opposite arrow. What about ice? It will be melting into water. Okay, I will have opposite arrow. Oh my, I can reducing that by this symbol. That's meaning reactions occur in both directions, all about the main symbols of chemical equation. Secondly, I will right low corner should write physical states of reactions. In right low corner, I should write physical states of reactions and products. I have a lot of physical states like G that symbolizes to gas, it symbolizes to liquid, S is symbolized to salt, AQ that symbolizes to aqueous, And last one, V, that symbolizes to vapor. I have water, I should write that's liquid. If I have ice, I should write that is solid, that's physical states. Okay, what else? I can write condition. If I want write heat, it's symbolized by says. If I have condition like heat, it's symbolized by this symbol delta. If I have condition pressure or high pressure, it's symbolized by P. Understanding? I hope that. Second part of chemical equation is what is reactants, what is products. Reactants and products, it should be in a molecules form. What's mean it should be in molecules form? A, it should be molecules, C, it should be molecules, B, it should be molecules, D, it should be molecules. B, C, it can't be atom or element, it should be molecule. And molecules divide into two parts: compound molecules and element molecules. And element molecules, element and compound. Element divide into element consists of one atom and elements consist of two atoms. What about elements consist one atom? It's most of elements in periodic table like ammonium, copper, silver, and vice versa. Okay. What about elements compound? Elements consist of two atoms. I have seven elements: nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Nitrogen, oxygen, and hydrogen. Okay? And 7A group: iodine, chlorine, fluorine, and last one, bromide. Compound consists of two elements like KCl. That's all about chemical equation. What I should do to learn, how can learn chemistry language? Chemistry language, that's right. Chemistry have language. Like if I have this is chair by English, kursi by Arabic, and that of chemistry language, that is plastic, okay, or polymers of plastic. So I should learn alphabet or sentence of chemical. Sentence of chemical is elements and compound to make molecules, to make magic reactions, and that's in real in our sessions. Okay, thank you.